BJP has been reacting, saying when it comes to Rahul Gandhi's remark, the Gujarat Home Minister has slammed Rahul Gandhi, saying that for Rahul Gandhi, Ram is imaginary, but for Indians, Ram is a matter of faith. Other BJP leaders have also slammed Rahul Gandhi's remarks on Ayodhya.
हिंदू विरोध और हिंदू नफरत अब सर चढ़कर बोल रहा है। 99 सीटें क्या आ गई, तो इस प्रकार का अहंकार। राहुल गांधी ने गुजरात में बोला है कि जिस मूवमेंट को अडवाणी जी ने शुरू किया था, जिसका सेंटर अयोध्या था, इसका मतलब राम जन्मभूमि आंदोलन की बात कर रहे हैं, उस मूवमेंट को हमने, इंडिया अलायंस ने अयोध्या में हरा दिया। पहले तो राहुल गांधी जी, आप फैजाबाद की सीट जरूर जीते हैं, अयोध्या की विधानसभा में भाजपा को लीड है।
जिस प्रकार से भगवान राम जी उनके लिए मात्र एक कल्पना है, लेकिन मेरे देशवासियों के लिए भगवान राम जी वो एक सबसे बड़ी आस्था का केंद्र है।
Lord Ram is in the hearts of Indian people. It is not something that can be settled in a constituency. The fact of the matter is, Faizabad is a parliamentary constituency and the relevant assembly segment is Ayodhya, where Bharatiya Janata Party has been in the lead. So I wish he did his homework properly before making statements that the Ayodhya movement has been nullified.
Well, Isha is with us. Isha, good morning. A lot of flag that has now been drawn on the statements that have been made by Rahul Gandhi, in particular with Ayodhya.
Right, yes, Avatara. Good morning to you as well. The back and forth is happening yet again in Ayodhya. It's back in the focus. Rahul Gandhi is stating that the India bloc has won the Ayodhya seat. However, BJP now coming back at him, looking out at him, stating that Faizabad and Ayodhya are different constituencies. However, but Ayodhya does fall under Faizabad. So the constituency, the election that the India bloc has won, the BJP stating that election doesn't matter. The fact that election has nothing to do with Lord Ram. That is what the BJP is stating. But again, Rahul Gandhi attacking A.C. Advani, the former leader of BJP, who started the movement, who's one of the pillars of BJP, stating that his movement has failed because the India bloc has come out successful at the Faizabad seat. But the BJP clearly denying that Faizabad and Ayodhya are different. That's it.
Right, but even it is not just about Ayodhya, is it, Isha? Because there, while he was addressing the party Karyakartas, he also made a mention that it will be soon, when it comes to the Congress, that will make a comeback in the state of Gujarat.
Right, yes, Amita. In fact, this time that the Congress has got 99 seats and the India bloc has achieved a respectable total in the Lok Sabha, there have been a lot of changes in the body language of the opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is now even confident of the fact that even they will win Gujarat as well. Gujarat is somewhere where Rahul Gandhi, where the BJP has had a massive stronghold over the past few years, and it has also been stated that
all right.
Despite the fact that the Congress has won multiple seats, it still doesn't change the fact how Gujarat feels. That is what the BJP is feeling. But only time will tell as to which side the tides turn on.
All right. Thank you for that update, Isha. Well, political statements that are being made as far as Rahul Gandhi's statement is concerned, it is the BJP which is now hitting.